Hello everybody and welcome to Wisconsin Wonder Garden. Today we'll be looking at indoor plants for little or no sunlight. Ficus plants can make some of the greatest low light plants as they come in many different shapes and sizes, including this narrow leaf ficus and this fiddle leaf ficus. Ficus plants also include rubber plants, which can get very big and come in multiple varieties of colors as well. Next up is the ZZ plant, not to be confused with ZZ Top. These plants are really common in places that get almost no sunlight or ambient lighting at all. I personally find them to be a very attractive office plant. Sansevieria, or snake plant, sometimes called mother-in-law's tongue, is next up on our list and is becoming very popular in today's growing trend of modern fashion and design. We couldn't finish off this quick list for you guys without going through the Pothos. This is a vining type plant that can grow to be many feet in length and can also grow into water. So before I leave you guys, how are we going to water our indoor plants? Well, one quick tip I can leave you guys with is to stick your fingers down into the soil to the first knuckle or second knuckle, and if the soil feels totally dry, then you're good to water it. And if it's wet, then wait a few more days until testing again and water after it feels dry. Keep in mind that each plant has its own requirements, so you're going to want to look up those care instructions once you decide which plants you want. And also keep in mind what kind of pot you have them in. I always encourage people to stock up on many different kinds of indoor plants in order to improve the air quality around you. Thank you guys so much for watching today. Have a great and wonderful gardening adventure. See you again soon.